Okay, the last part of trig ratios, we're going to look at tangent. We're going to let triangle ABC also be a right triangle with acute angle A. The tangent of angle A is written as tan A, is defined as the length of the leg opposite angle A, so that's the O, over the length of the leg adjacent to angle A. So that's the A from adjacent. So TOA, T-O-A. All right, so here's angle A. The leg opposite is leg BC, and the leg adjacent is next to it is AC. You will not, should not have hypotenuse in with any tangent ratios. Okay, so let's look here, and we're going to find the value of x for each of these tangents. So we're going to do tan A, which is the opposite over the adjacent. But we have what angle A is, so tangent of 39 degrees is the opposite is 52 over the adjacent, which is x. The tangent of 39 is 0.8098, which equals 52 over x. Cross multiply, so 0.8098, x equals 52, and divide both sides by the decimal. Which to the nearest tenth gives me 64.2 equals x. All right, let's do for B also. We have tangent of A, which is the opposite over the adjacent. So the tangent of 42. The opposite in this case is x over the adjacent, which is 19. The tangent of 42 is 0.9004 equals x over 19. And then cross multiply times 19, x equals 17.1. All right, example 2, this A and B is the same. We're still finding the lengths of those sides using the tangent. So tangent of A is opposite over adjacent. Okay, we have the tangent of 27 is x over 25. The tangent of 27 is 0.5095, which equals x over 25. Cross multiply there, which is about 12.73. So x equals about 12.7. Good. That's length of x. Let's look at B. I have tangent of A equals opposite over adjacent. The tangent of 44 equals the opposite is 21 over the adjacent or next to it is x. Tangent of 44 is 0.9657 equals 21 over x. So 0.9657 times x equals 21. Divide both sides by the decimal. X is 21.7-ish. Good. Now, what I want to do in example 3 I want to find the area of this figure. Well, I know for the area of a triangle, I need the base and the height. So this is the other side that I'm going to need to look for before I can find the area. Okay, so I have here my opposite and my adjacent. So I am going to use tangent of A. I have my tangent of 61 equals the opposite is 24 over x. The tangent of 61 is 1.8041. Yeah. Equals 24 over x. 1.8041x equals 24. Divide. X is about 13.3. So that's 13.3. But now I need to use it to find the area. So area of a triangle is 1/2 base height. So 1/2, the base is 13.3 times the height is 24. Multiply all that, my area is about 159.6 centimeters squared. All right, and the last one, finding the perimeter. So I really am going to have to find all of these sides. I have this angle right here. I'm going to use the tangent first. I have my opposite, and here is my adjacent, so I'm going to find that value first. Okay, so I have, let's see, tangent of A, opposite over adjacent. So the opposite is 26 over x, 0.8693 equals 26 over x. Set up your proportion and divide. X is about 29.9. Good. Okay, but I still need my third side. All right, but now I can use, I'm going to have to use something with my hypotenuse. So I have my opposite and my hypotenuse. Okay, my opposite and my hypotenuse. Which one requires you to use the opposite and the hypotenuse? Sine. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to look for the sine of A. So the sine of 41 is 26 over, now I'm finding this x, or you can call it another variable, 26 over x, 0.6561 equals 26 over x. So I have 0.6561 x equals 26. X equals 39.6. And now I can add all three of my sides together. 29.9, 39.6, and 26. I'm adding them all together. Equals 95.5 is my perimeter. Perfect. The code word for this video is eraser. Eraser is the code word.